Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to Crypto Space. So as you can see over here, I've prepared quite a few key informations for you, and in today's video we are going to be talking about GameSwift. Alright then, but before we are going to start, let's have a quick look at crypto bubbles. So as you can see over here on a daily, we are pretty much going sideways, and we can see a little bit of consolidation. However, we've got a bonk going up 8.2%, Uniswap 5.3%, Helium up 5%, Caspa 11%, Say 4.5%, and Cake 5.5%. However, it's nothing to be worried about, because if we are going to zoom out and pretty much look at the monthly, we are pretty much in the ocean of green, and of course on the yearly as well. Alright then, so let's have a look at GameSwift in general. GameSwift is currently trading at 60 cents of a dollar with a market cap of $34 million. So obviously that is a low market cap, which could be a very risky play. Its 24-hour trading volume is at $2 million. If we are going to look at price firstly, in the last 180 days, as you can see over here, we've rallied pretty much very hard. If we are going to look at market cap itself, from very low market cap, $2 million, which was very risky at that point, we went up to 41 at its all-time high in terms of market cap, $41 million, and now we are currently at 33,700. So if we are going to look over here at the categories, it is artificial intelligence, AI, at least according to CoinGecko, and of course a gaming as well. So if we are going to have a look at their website, let's have a look what's going on over here. So subscribe to GS Pay for benefits. The website itself looks very professional in my personal opinion. Let's have a look over here. I will show you okay, the roadmap. So the roadmap is something kind of pretty much important to look at. As you can see over here, in Q1 2022, Q2 2022, and up to Q4 2022, they have pretty much kept to their promise, right? They did partnership with Polygon, which is obviously a big player in the crypto space. And as you can see over here, for 2023, they pretty much, did everything that they promised, at least according to the roadmap. And for the 2024, they also do have a lot of plans. So if they are going to pretty much accomplish these goals, that is going to be even more bullish signal to pretty much invest into that. But of course, that isn't a financial advice, okay? I did allocate a small portion of my portfolio into that coin. I'm not associated with them in any form. However, I think it's just interesting project. As you can see over here, they were featured by Yahoo, Cointelegraph, Bloomberg, and all of that. All right, then let's have a look over here. What is actually GameSwift? It's the easiest place to buy Web3 games and benefit from true ownership of digital assets. Discover, download, and play multiple games, no matter what chain they are on. Earn rewards and cash them out with ease. No blockchain knowledge needed. Start playing today. So obviously that looks very, very bullish, very cool narrative and an idea in general. If that is going to come into fruition in the upcoming bull run, they might see, huge growth. All right, and so let's have a look at the team. All right, that is also very important when we are looking at new crypto projects, right? We don't want to invest any cash into project that, has pretty much team that has no experience. But let's check this out. Let me read that for you. Meet the GameSwift team. We are a group of more than 30 experienced professionals passionate about Web3 and its potential to shape the future. With a diverse background, including several Fortune 500 companies, crypto startups, and gaming studios, we have extensive experience to draw upon. Our team members have worked for various organizations including Starterra, Stargate, Layer Zero, Cyberpunk, The Witcher, Revolt, that we all know, G2A.com, Amazon, Google, BCG, TerraStation Wallet, etc. At the core of our mission is a belief in the mass adoption of Web3 gaming, and we are committed to leading the industry in this direction. So that looks very bullish to me, right? I have checked, first of all, at the game itself. I never played the game Cyberpunk. Where is this? Over here. Cyberpunk 2077 generated about 160 million. But of course, we also know that they mentioned about the project Revolt that generated a lot of cash as well. It's pretty much the paying system. It's like an internet bank. All right, and so let's have a look at their Twitter. As you can see over here, they are currently sitting on 168,000 followers, and they are constantly adding something. Their tweets looks very professional, and it looks like, you know, it's a very bullish project, at least for now, right? So let's have a look over here at Tweet Scout, and let's check how they are dealing with their followers, because that is also kind of, you know, important. So let's have a look at the score. So a few days ago, just a few days ago, their score was over here at 688, and now it's at pretty much higher, at least according to the graph. Okay, then, and as you can see over here, the followers are constantly growing, so obviously they are gaining momentum. All right, then let's have a look over here into Dune.com. So as you can see over here, the circulating supply is constantly growing, which technically isn't really the best thing. However, it meets the demand because the token holders are currently growing as well. So people are accumulating that coin. If we are going to look at G Swift staked over here, more and more people are staking that coin as well, which is of course also a positive sign. All right then, so let's right now move to where was this? Okay then, so that of course is going to be just a speculation. They are currently at $36 million in terms of market cap. And if their project would see a huge growth, just like Illuvium did, what Illuvium did last bull cycle, their peak was around $1 billion in terms of their market cap, right? Let's have a look at Gala, what Gala did last time. Gala did around $5 billion in terms of market cap. So obviously these are huge numbers, and if these guys would pretty much gain the same momentum, that would be a huge bullish thing. All right then, so let's have a look at trading view over here before we are going to move to the next part. All right then, so as you can see over here, of course, well, myself, I discovered that coin probably somewhere around here, but I waited for a bit of a dip and I have entered that coin in here. However, if we haven't been sleeping on that coin and did our research much earlier on, like over here, and risk it, we would probably see a huge gain, which would be around, let's say 7x now, and at its all-time high, that will be around 10x. All right then, so as you can see over here, we have entered that channel of growth pretty much, and we are hovering at that trend line that also serves as a support over here. Of course, it depends how fast we are going to grow. It also depends on Bitcoin. Whatever is Bitcoin going to do, altcoins and everything pretty much is going to follow. All right then, I know now, I've checked white paper. I haven't really read it because that is too much, guys, okay? However, what I did, I asked ChatGPT to pretty much summarize and show us pros and cons of investing into that coin. And I know it might be a little bit boring. However, if you are going to stick with me for extra few minutes, that possibly is going to determine if it's worth to invest into that coin or not. All right then, so let me start reading the pros first. So we've got diverse ecosystem. GameSwift offers a comprehensive ecosystem for Web3 gaming, covering a modular blockchain network, ZK EVM technology, a multi-chain gaming platform, and more. User-friendly approach. The project aims to simplify the user experience, allowing gamers to easily access and play Web3 games without the need for complex processes such as managing wallets, dealing with gas fees, or navigating different chains. Of course, that could be bullish because we know that this is a big problem, you know, in crypto in general, especially with Ethereum, our gas fees. All right, and the next one, ZK EVM, modularity and scalability. The integration of ZK EVM technology in the modular blockchain network allows gaming studios to develop Web3 games faster with scalability and efficiency. Shared security model. The ZK shared security feature enhances security by allowing every ZK EVM rollup to leverage the security of the GameSwift mainnet validators. Sorry. Multi-chain platforms. GameSwift platform aggregates games from various significant chains, promoting interoperability and ensuring that gamers can access games built on different blockchain networks seamlessly. GSwift token utility. The native GSwift token plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, serving as the currency for transactions, validating transactions on the GameSwift Layer 1 blockchain, and participating in ZK EVM rollups. Financial Grant Program. GameSwift Studio supports blockchain-based games through a financial grant program, aiming to attract talent and reward successful projects with the ecosystem. Experienced team. The leadership team brings together a mix of legal, marketing, development, and gaming expertise, with members having experience in well-known projects and companies. Alright, and so let's have a look at cons. Of course, no project is perfect, so let's have a look what are potential downsides if we are going to invest into that coin. So, unannounced killer feature. The white paper mentions a killer feature to be announced in Q2, Q3, but the lack of details might leave potential investors uncertain about the project's full capabilities. Market competition. The gaming and blockchain industry is highly competitive, with many projects vying for attention. The success of GameSwift depends on its ability to stand out and attract a significant user base. Dependency on future features. The success of the project seems to rely on yet to be announced features, potentially introducing an element of uncertainty for investors. Execution risks. As with many ambitious projects, there is a risk associated with the execution of plans. Meeting development milestones and delivering promised features on time is crucial for the success of the GameSwift ecosystem. Regulatory risks. The project operates in the decentralized sector, and potential regulatory changes of uncertainties could impact its operations. So, basically what it stands out to me is, obviously, as a pro, is their team, right? They are experienced people, and they know what they are doing with the project. However, what do they mention over here? Execution risks, right? They have mentioned, ChatGPT, after analyzed that paper, mentioned about execution of promises of projects, right? However, over here, if we are going to look at the roadmap, everything looks sound and clear, at least at the moment. However, Q1 is going to determine the future potential growth. There is one more thing that I wanted to show you guys. Let me find that. Okay, over here. So if we are going to look at that graph, of course, a lot of money is going to come into gaming sector. As we can see over here, we are developing, and that is just the beginning, right? We are going forward with gaming, and lots of cash is going to flow in. All right, then, and now last, let's have a look over here. Now, to divide 1 billion by 34 million, right, that would give us around 29x if a GameSwift would reach $1 billion, just like Illuvium did last bull cycle. However, if we are going to look at Gala one more time, and they have reached $5 billion, right? If we are going to look over here, now if we are going to divide 5 billion by 34 million, that is going to give us around 147x. Wow, that number will be beautiful. But of course, guys, let me know what you think in the comments about this this project. Do you think it's interesting or not? All right, then, that's it for today's video. Peace and love, crypto.